Alright, let's try doing this with one hand. So here we got TerraTiles. These are I can show you. These are TerraTiles. This is also from a Kickstarter. Right? So I can put up an environment pretty fast with these. So I just put them up like so. Let's put the wood area here or something. So I'll do some forests, some greenery. Something like this. All right. Then let's do a road like so. All right. So here we have like a forest area. So let's make like an elven labyrinth in this elven grove. So this is 3D printed. As you can see, I got some bendy bits here. Now obviously I can snap these shorter bits, longer bits, more pieces. I can print as many pieces as I want. Let's do something like that. I got another piece here. You know, put this like in so. You can put that like so. Boom. There we go. So now there we got like a labyrinth of sorts. Didn't take me long to build this up. And let's check out the detail. Now obviously I need to paint this. And you can see looks pretty good. This is printed at 0.2 and I had a lot of support material, so it took a really long time to remove the support material. Probably could print it with less support material. And I really like these bendy bits. So these are printed in 2 pieces. And then at the top here I put a piece of filament. You can see it there. I glue it in, but because I'm gonna paint it, I want to be able to disconnect them. So you glue it at the top there, and it's gonna stay put. So all right, so that's Elven Grow. These are from Printablescenery, and TerraTiles are from TerraTiles. I highly recommend both products.